okay if I can sneeze?
Sebastian, she really needs to sneeze. Are you going to get mad if she does?
Are you gonna get mad if I do? Are you? Are you?
I think you should just go ahead and sneeze. Oh, I don't think you like that.
I don't think either. I can't believe. Okay, I can. Okay,
Sebastian, is it okay if I sneeze?
I have to go sneeze.
I really have to sneeze, Sebastian. Promise you won't get mad.
I think he got mad. He's mad.
Sebastian, I'm really sneezy today. I can't help it. Can I sneeze? But I have a sneeze coming, Sebastian. What am I going to do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
Achoo!
He's saying it's Mama, I think he's saying bless you.
I don't know, because if you sneeze enough times, he'll walk away really mad.
Oh.
I think he gets mad. Sebastian? Sebastian, do you like sneezes?
Yeah, it's really.
What happens if I sneeze, Sebastian? Choo! Oh, he didn't fall for that one. Sebastian? Achoo!
He's mad. Don't do it anymore, Mommy. Mama.